How to live stream on YouTube with OBS Studio. The first things first is, of course, you'll need to have an official YouTube account for you to be able to link it to your OBS Studio. And make sure that your YouTube account is already logged into one of your web browsers. And from here, just simply access your OBS Studio software, and all you have to do next is go to the settings right here. Now click on settings, and this is gonna be your specific input from the stream that will come out if you will go live. Now all you have to do is to link your YouTube account first on OBS Studio. To link it, just head directly to stream, and under services, all you have to do is to click on that, and there will be a drop down, and just simply choose on YouTube RTMP5. Now once you click on YouTube RTMP5, there will be a bunch of servers options that will automatically come out here. All you have to do is just simply choose on primary YouTube and just server. Now, if you click on the second or the third option right here, this will take you out to your YouTube's official account. So that's the reason why I ask you to or already logged in before doing this settings on OBS Studio. Now again, if you click on this link right here, you will be asked to log in to the account that you would like to stream with OBS Studio. All I have to do next is just to click on Ignore Streaming Service Setting Recommendations and click on Apply. Now once you click on Apply, you will be redirected back to the YouTube and just have everything confirmed before you go live. So that's it. That's how you go live stream on YouTube using OBS Studio.